my friends, today I want to show you how I make money with my hack for game High with Lovo for 1xbet. And look at this is my link, my official Telegram channel, Cheat 1xbet group, and me, Cheat 1xbet. Let's go. Look at this, actual date and actual time. Okay, and now I'm go to Google Chrome, search 1xbet 1x games, and look at this, guys. First link, this is official website 1xbet.com. Press this, look, real world 1xbet. Look at this, and now I'm go to game High with Lovo, and I show you how I win money with my hack, guys. Okay, look, actual link, refresh page 1xbet.com, and all games runs High Lovo. Look, and you can see this is official website 1xbet.com. I show you my actual balance. Fresh date and fresh time. Okay, and now I show you that my hack is real work. He's installed. Look, High with Lovo hack for 1xbet. Okay. Okay, and now I'm place a bet, and I show you how I win money with my hack. I show you how work my hack and how I win money with my hack. And look at this is my official Telegram channel, Cheat 1xbet group, and me, Cheat 1xbet. Let's go. Look, I'm place a bet, and you can see this is under, and if I press under I win, but if I press over I'm lose. I press under, yeah, I win. Look my balance, perfect, guys. Okay, next, place a bet. Look at this is under, and I press under, and yes, I win again, guys. Place a bet. Look, this is over. You can see, guys, this is over, and I'm press over. Yeah, look my balance, guys. Look, perfect, easy and fast. Okay, I'm place a bet. Look, this is over. You can see, guys, I'm press over. Yeah, I winner, guys. Okay, I'm place a bet. Look, this is under, and I'm press under. Okay, place a bet. This is over, and I'm press over, guys. Yeah, I win. Look my balance. Yeah, super. This is big balance. Look at this, my official Telegram channel. If you want my working hack, write me in my Telegram channel, guys. Write me. Yeah, this is super. I win money, and now I'm take my money on my Visa card. I'm withdraw my money, guys. Look, actual date and actual time. You can see. Okay, look, guys, I win this money with my hack, and now I'm withdraw my money on my Visa card. I wait my money, wait new status, and you can see I win this money with my hack, with my working hack, guys. And if you want my hack, write me in my Telegram channel. If you want to make money like me, write me. Look at this, guys. Status approved. Refresh my balance. I'm withdraft my money. Bye bye.